Alright guys, Heather here, True North On Demand. Make sure you've got some water. We are going to get sweaty. Take your resistance all the way to the left. Warming up in the saddle, choose a lead leg. Hands go to first. Let's do this. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. Belly bump to spine, super strong core. Take a deep breath in. Set your intention. Let's press it out at first. I'm all alone now. Check it out. Me and you should take a down. It's down. I got a plan now. We're going out. Too wide, too narrow. Open up that chest. Right here, wide. Narrow. Wide, yes. And narrow. Wide. Get it done my own way. Yes. Single it up through right here. Wide. Hey now. Hey now. I haven't had a good laugh all day now. Hey now. Hey now. You know you're down. Let's do it. Go right. Let's go. Hey now. Hey into that pedal stroke. Left. It's right. Yeah. Feel those obliques waking up. Push through your heels. Single it up. Right. Right. It's right. Double it up right here. And left. Press it out. Let's go. Each time you press, pull your belly button, your spine, feel your core engage. Open up those shoulders, too wide, too narrow, wide. Hey now, hey now, I haven't had a good laugh all day now. Hey now, you know you're down. Let's do this right now, wide. And narrow. Alright crew, get ready. We've got single count. Let's do it. Right here, wide. Wide, yes. It's wide and narrow. Get low. Feel those shoulders warming up. Wide and narrow. Hey now. 2. Last one. Let's go. Lift it up and out. 2 turns to the right. Up and out. Hands go to third. I want 2 full turns. Or enough so that you're pushing through resistance under your feet. Sink into those pedal strokes, right and left. Let's go crew, reach down, quarter turn more to the right, building with resistance. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Up 2, let's go. Up. It's up and back. Yeah. Feel that resistance under your feet. Up 2. If you don't feel the resistance under your feet, reach down right now. Add a touch to the right. Feel supported by your bike here. left. Okay, in the saddle. Find your breath. Reach down, tiny touch to the right. Just a little bit. Breathe, fill your lungs. Up and out, let's go. Right, left. Okay, you guys, listen. We're following this beat. It's gonna pick up a little bit. We're gonna follow it. Here we go. Right, left. It's right, left. It's right, left. Yes. Right, left. Right, left. Stay with me. Right, left. I light a fire. Following this beat all the way into a sprint. Out of the saddle. You always have the option of dropping this down. You ready? Deep breath in. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Let's go. Hips are back. Or you're in the saddle. Get your heart rate up. This is cardio right here. Dig into it. Yes. Slow. In the saddle, slow. Right, left. Hold it. Hold this pace, reach down. Full turn. 10 seconds. Max out with resistance right here. 10 seconds. Right, left. Right, left. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay. Reach down. Have it turn to the left. Choose the lead leg. 1, 2. 1, 2. Pull those shoulders away from your ears. Chest is high. Core is strong. You've chosen a lead leg. Resistance is all the way to the left. 2 half turns. Up and out. One drop, drink. Okay, we're gonna get heavy. Start off, I want 2 full turns from where you were. Let's pop it up. Right, left. Hold it, put back over the saddle. Check in. Neutral spine, but your core is strong. Pull your waist in. Try and find that muscle line connection with your core here. Push through your heels. Hands are light. Now breathe. Yes, hold it right here. Y'all better listen up closely. All you niggas that said that I turn pop on the firm flop. So we're gonna take it up and back for 4 counts on the back. I want you to isolate by taking the bounce out, putting the work in your glutes. Right, left. It's right, left. Then we're gonna add drops. We're gonna drop for 4 and lift into the isolation for 4. Deep breath in. Up, forward, backward, let's go.
What do you say to somebody you hate?
Hold. Release. Hit back, hold, foot, push to the heel.
One day I was walking by.
We hold.
When I caught a guy, you know what I look at the parking lot, but it's dark and I don't give a fuck if it's dark and I'm harder than me trying to walk and die. So I'm drunk as fuck. Right next to when you walk is talking in 2-car garage. I put out with 2 broken legs trying to walk it off. Fuck you.
Alright, crew, adding those drops. Drop for 4, lift for 4.
When the cops came,
Hold your isolation for 4. We drop, yes. We lift. Core is strong. We lift. Push. We drop. We hover. We drop.
It's okay, go with him, baby.
More.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk when they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, motherfuckers acting
Just right.
Now,
Shake it off.
wanna talk when they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish.
Let's move up 4. Back 4.
To me, motherfuckers, stop coming up to me with your hands out, looking up.
Really?
You want something free when my last
We
CD
hold.
was out, you wasn't bumping me. But now that I got slow company, everybody wanna come to me like it was some disease. But you won't get a crumb from me, cause I'm from the streets. So I told them all little gangsters,
Back.
you know them all. Now you
Okay, guys.
talk about guns like I ain't
Hold it back. Reach down. Take it to the right. Just a touch. Dropping for 4. Lifting into the isolation for 4. Drop. Second and final set. Max out with resistance.
It's like a jungle in the habitat. With all these savage cats filling up strapped
We lift.
killing in the cabbage patch.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk when they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, motherfuckers acting if they got praise.
Drop.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk when they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips.
Last one.
Gibberish, motherfuckers acting.
Holy shit. Drop down. Back to the left. Let it go. Choose the lead leg. Ready? Let's go. You can hold it here, or you can join me. Passes up. Let's go. Yes, rinse it out. Hold. We hold. Drop and hold. Hold. You have a lead leg, you have a strong core. Ready, crew? Passes up. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hold. We hold. Hips are back. Right over the saddle. Hold. Hold. Yes, burn those quads out. Hold. Feel those lungs on fire. Yes, you can. Stay in it. This is the work. This is the transformation right here in this moment. Breathe through it. Stay with me. That's where the magic is. Stay in it. Hold, hold. We hold. 7, 8. We lift. Drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We lift. We lift. Breathe. We lift. Drop it. How we doing? We lift. We drop. Yes, hold. Core is strong. We lift. Let it go. That was the work. Nice work, everyone. Up and out. Keep your resistance right where it is. Find your lungs. Find your breath. Pull your hips back. Let's go. Push through those heels. Find your balance. Even it out. Right and left. Right and left. Find your recovery. Then we're going in for more. Right. Right. For more using resistance. Right. This is our pace for the next less than 3 minutes, okay? So I want you to get there. I want you to get to 90% with resistance at this pace. But first, it's really important to find your breath. Right here, recover. Once you're there, let's go. Reach down. 1.5 turns to the right. Start there. Hips are back. It could reach down. 1.5 more to the right. You should start to feel this. Right, left. We're halfway through this. Right, left. Right, left. Okay, you should be at 80%. Resistance to pace. 80% if 100 is your max. Hold. Sink. With me. Too wide, too narrow. Get it? Yes, yes, yes. Stay here. Commit. Single. Let's go. Back to doubles. Yes. Single. Right here. Last one. Just ride. Okay, 10 seconds. Get to your 90. One turn to the right. Find your 90%. Finish strong. Max out. Oh shit. I definitely got there, guys. Come on down. Take your resistance. All the way back to the left. Good. Endurance. Then I want you to leave it behind. Has to be with a sprint. Right here. Push. Yes. Hold. Breathe, hold. Core is strong. Hinge in the hips. Keep your lungs, your chest open. 3, 2. Let it go. Okay, crew. Find your lead leg. Hold it in the saddle. 1, 2. Here we go.
It's getting crazy, always getting high.
1, 2, 1, 2. Again, resistance is light.
It's getting crazy,
All the way to the left.
high.
About a half a turn or so to the right, depending on your bike. But we don't want to ever be on here without any resistance. So find it, hold If you really want to party with me, put your hands where my eyes can see. Let's go. Hold. Yes, awesome work, you guys. Fill your lungs. Good time to take water if you need it. I want you to switch your lead leg. And just take a moment here in the saddle to fill your lungs to reset. We're going to take it up and out to third. Ready? Let's go and hold it. So this is a recovery. If out of the saddle doesn't work for you, you hold this in the saddle. 1, 2, 1, 2. Get something under your feet to support this. Yes, hold. If you really want to party with me, hold. Hips are back. Alright, crew, we're going to lean it out. 4 right, 4 left. Let's go. Right. Little big squeeze, hips stay back. Yes, so good. Feel those quads.
Shit niggas be walking around fearing us. Front nigga like you don't wanna be hearing us. Gotta listen
2 counts right here. Right.
Competition to make life serious. Damaging everything on up in your areas. Yo, it's funny how all the chickens be always serving us all in the 20 years.
Single. So these movements can be teeny tiny. Just a no bleed squeeze. Back to forward. Let's do it right here. Yes, take it right. We go left. 2 counts, let's do it. Right. Left, hips are back. Single counts, crew. Just right, let's go. Up, back, 2 counts. Up, lift, hips back, core strong. Yes. Hips back, back, back. Single it up right here. Hips back, back, back. Just ride. Bring it all the way down. Alright, crew. Okay. One more push. Then we're going to drop for weights. Take your time here. Find your breath. Sink into those pedal strokes. And then let's take a half a turn to the right from where you were riding. This should allow you to find your breath. One more time. Quarter turn to the right. We are building resistance. Let's toss it out. Low to high. At third. Here we go. Press. Press. Pull your hips back. Drop it down. Pick up your pace right here, crew. Work through that resistance. Let it go. Okay, keep it in the saddle, reach down, half a turn to the right. Right, left, find this pace in the saddle. Sit up really tall. Lift out of your hips, feel lift in your rib cage. Reach the crown of your head towards the ceiling. through your heels. No momentum here. This is all strength. Right, left. Quarter turn to the right. Let's go. Hold your pace. Right, left. Right, left. Alright, you guys. Get ready. We're going to pop it up to third. I want you to push. Whatever you've got left, leave it right here. Let's go. Let's push. Work through that resistance. Come on. Keep it low. Keep it tight. Why did you get on your bike today? Use that. Right here. Let's go. Push. Drop it all the way down. Woo! Take your resistance back to the left. Grab your weights. Awesome work. Like, let's take a big stretch up. Come on over to the right. Over to the left. Chest, shoulder opener here. Bring it all the way down. Alright, crew, let's stop those legs. Come on up and out to third. Push through your heels. Oh, nice stretch in your calves. Deep breath in as you exhale. Press through your palms, up and over third. Pull shoulder blades together. Point your toes, take your hips all the way back. Other foot front down through the heels. And then release. Up and over third. Point your toes and take your hips all the way back to the side. One more time. And then drop it down. Let's take our right foot back for a quad stretch. Take your time through any of these stretches. If something feels good, stay in it. Knee comes to chest. Give your ankle a roll one direction, then reverse it. And then up and out to third. Deep breath in, big stretch up. Exhale, come on forward. Feel a stretch along the whole back side of your leg. Hamstring, calves. Heel comes to second. Hinge on forward, release into your hip flexor. Take it down. Other leg comes back.
Sinking fast on the
Up and out to third. Deep breath in. Oh wait, we gotta take our knee in. Roll your ankle out. And then out to third. Deep breath in, big stretch up. Bring it forward.
They got me going hard flips. You got me floating.
And then final stretch, heel comes to second. Come on forward, release into your hip flexor.
You got me floating.
Bring it down. Deep breath in, bring it down. Thank you so much, crew. Enjoy the rest of your day. We hope to see you in the studio soon.